HygroGen is a transportable humidity and temperature calibrator based on the latest Rotronic AIRCHIP 3000 technology. It can generate humidity over the range of 5 to 95% RH and 0 to 60 degrees C temperature. This means that instrument calibration may be performed at working conditions. A touchscreen graphical user interface with intuitive, easy-to-navigate screens make the HygroGen incredibly easy to use and maintain. Front panel USB ports are included for the connection of test probes. On the rear panel, there are USB ports for a keyboard and mouse, a DVI monitor connection, and an Ethernet port for service use. Rear sample ports for the connection of a chilled mirror reference instrument are temperature controlled to 5 degrees above the chamber temperature. HygroGen controls chamber temperature using a Peltier thermoelectric element. Humidity is controlled using a mixed flow method. A desiccant cell provides dry air and a piezoelectric humidifier a source of wet air. Water is applied through the front panel using a fill syringe. Only 80 milliliters is required, and this would typically last for more than 1 month's use. The water reservoir includes an ultraviolet sterilizer to ensure that water quality is maintained. Important operational information and external connections are presented in a clear and logical structure. The desiccant cell uses standard molecular sieve that can be easily replaced and replenished by the user. To remove and fit the chamber door, only a simple quarter turn is needed. The test chamber is well insulated and sealed to prevent influence from external conditions. The HygroClip probe is carefully positioned to provide the best possible chamber control. To achieve temperature stability and gradient specifications, the HygroGen door is highly insulated and includes peripheral temperature control to reduce temperature gradients and condensation when running at high temperature conditions. The HygroClip control probe can be calibrated exactly to match the user's operational need. Test probes are applied into the HygroGen chamber through configurable probe ports. These are available to suit any type of humidity probe. Fully customizable door probe combinations are available on special request. In this example, a handheld instrument is applied into the HygroGen and its display compared with the control condition. Green control status indicates values are stable. At this point, the user can check instrument calibration. Humidity stability is typically within 4 to 5 minutes from a set point change. The trend screen allows the user to visualize the stability of the humidity and temperature conditions. The auto-scaling graph can be user configured to show up to 12 hours of historical data. 0.1 degrees C resolution, in this case indicates 0.01 degrees C temperature stability. This is shown over a standard 10-minute period. Set points can be changed by simply touching the on-screen values and entering the humidity or temperature required using the pop-up screen that displays. The programmer function allows the user to set up a standard test profile. A series of temperature and humidity set points can then be run without user supervision. A graphical display of the set points makes it easy to visualize and edit the calibration profile. Stability criteria are set by the user so that set point countdown begins only once a stable condition is reached. On-screen level indication allows the user to easily check water and dry cell condition at a glance. A dew point sensor is integrated into the dry air circuit to check desiccant condition during drying phases. On-screen warnings and operational fail-safe modes are in place to maintain instrument performance and prevent possible damage. The HygroGen information screen provides confirmation of time in use since manufacture, the period since last service, and the current software version. The HygroGen update function means that software upgrades and bug fixes can be emailed and applied by the user using a USB memory stick. The date and time function enables the HygroGen's internal clock to be updated. This is essential for calibration and audit trail purposes. The screen setup allows the user to configure the DVI external monitor to display the embedded Rotronic HW4 software. Compatible probes can be connected to the embedded HW4 software using the front panel USB ports. Running both the control and HW4 logging software simultaneously allows the user to visualize the calibrator values, trends and stability to ensure that best measurement capability of both instruments is achieved. HygroGen is a state-of-the-art humidity and temperature calibrator with performance and features that guarantee high precision and ease of use. Its most significant benefit is the time it saves when compared to other calibration methods. Suitable for use in the laboratory or on-site, the HygroGen provides the ultimate in transportable humidity and temperature calibration.